Hi Bean Beauties. Guess what? It's time for Fresh Fridays. If you are new to the channel, this is also a new segment. This is probably episode number 2 for Fresh Fridays. I kind of doing my own take of what everybody else does, like Miss P. Banks does Move In Mondays, and Nicole does Change Outs, and Nancy Carnes does Set Saturdays, and then about Set Saturdays. I'm horrible. I'll put it up here. I'll put it up here. Anyway, this is my version of all of that. So I'm calling it Fresh Fridays. But what I'm going to do is bring y'all along while I try to pick a bag for my events that are coming up for this next coming week. Okay, so if y'all want to know what that is, then come on back. Hey Bean Beauties. Okay, so this weekend what we're going to be doing is we have a baseball tournament. So this is what I'm going to be wearing, my top. They're evening games this time. Usually they're in the morning, so they're evening games. So I think it's like 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. in San Marcos. So we'll be traveling out of town. So it's an hour-ish or a little longer drive from where we're at, back and forth. So that's 2 hours in the car, plus each game is about 2.5 hours. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours away from home. So thus I will need a small bag and a travel bag or a tournament bag. So I haven't quite decided yet what I'm going to do for the travel bags, but I think I've locked down what I'm going to do for my carry, for my small bag carry. I'm choosing between 2 bags that I've narrowed down to, and then I also have an outing with the Tres Amigas, and we have an outing because it's spring break. We were able to get off. Everybody's able to get off during the week because it's spring break. We all have a little bit of a break. So before I have granny duty, and before Delene has granny duty, and Laura has just work duty, we're going to try to steal away a little bit of time. So I have that outing too. So that's going to take a whole different set of bags. A whole different set of bags. Okay. All right, so the attire, I showed you the shirt. I got this shirt, and this is a cute shirt. I got it on Shein like a few years ago. I worn the heck out of it. And it's still in great shape. So it has some reds in it. It has some, it's, blues. It has some whites, and, it's just a cutesy shirt. It's a cutesy shirt. So since it's going to be in the evening, that's what I was trying to tell you earlier, since it's going to be in the evening and we're going to be out of town, sometimes at the ballparks, it's open space, so the wind blows really good. I have blankets and sweaters and things like that in the car, but I've been debating on whether or not I'm going to wear jeans or kind of some warm-up pants, or if I'm going to wear shorts. So definitely I'm going to wear these, and in case you might see them over here, I'm going to wear my Croc ruby slippers that were my birthday gift from Kim, from La Vida with Kim. I have worn them. I wore them to my doctor's appointment, and everybody was just staring. So I figure it'll bring out the red in the bow. That is settled there. So, because I'm in my denim era. When am I not? The 2 bags I was looking at again is the camera bag. I've really been wanting to wear the camera bag to somewhere, and I didn't wear it for my nephew's birthday barbecue. It actually would have been fine, but I ended up using the mini Rowan, dressed her up nice and pretty, and I ended up using her, and then I was in her like pretty much all week. Well, all week. I was in her all week. So I was just thinking about doing this, or I'm thinking about doing this. I didn't get my husband to adjust it. I really like this. I can wear it on the side and down, and I can also wear it here crossbody. So I think I want to try to wear it crossbody. So I'm trying this one instead of the other. This is what the Essentials essential sling bag that is in the men's section. And I'm going to dress her up. Once I can dress her up with some of the cherries and stuff, I think she will be just perfect as far as the look. She does have silver hardware. So see, I'm not opposed to silver hardware. It just has to feel right. It just has to feel right to me. So I have lots of parameters, you know, when you have a disability and when you have things that you have to deal with, you have to think multi-layers. It's just, let me grab and go. Sometimes I'll grab and go, and, you know, if it's something short, then I won't really worry about it too much. But on a long day, I need to make sure I have my medication available. I need to make sure that, you know, I'm just prepared. So I'm hoping that this will work better because it has the 2 zippers. It has this one right here and then this one back here. And I can't really tell which one is bigger, but I'll be having 2 phones. I'll have my personal phone, and then I'll have my YouTube phone, which my YouTube phone, this is the 14 Pro Max. My YouTube phone is a 15 Pro Max. But, okay, so see, that fits perfect in there. That fits perfect in there. And over here, it fits in here too. But see how I struggled a little bit to get it in there, because you have to pick up this flap and put it in there. Definitely want to reserve the back pocket for my personal cell phone. So that will be in there. I got this new little case for my cell phone, my YouTube cell phone. And I can keep it on the wrist, and it'll even go as far as up here. So that's really exciting. I had bought this little thingy not too long ago because I needed a case for my cell phone because I kept dropping it. And the reason I picked this one was because it comes undone here, and I can put, you know, I can put some items, you know, credit cards, medical stuff in here and have it with my phone. And then Melissa, I got my birthday present from Melissa, and she gave me this little wristlet as one of the things she gave me. So it matches perfect. It brings the green out of there. So I have this as an option, so I don't have to put it in my bag. So I think, y'all, I think we're gonna go with this one. Let's go with this one, and let me get the stuff that I want to pick, like dress it up with, okay? Hold on a second, let me grab all the things that I want to decorate this with. Be right back. Okay, Bean Beauties, I did a thing. I think I'm kind of liking it. If I move it up this way, up higher, and this is how it looks. This page looks like this. Looks like this. And then here, if it's this way, but here it feels comfortable because of where the belt is in the back, the clip. That's kind of where it fits. Okay. Come up. Okay, so yeah. All right, so that's what it'll look like on me. I'll move back a little bit. You won't be able to see that. Okay, I think I'm going with this instead of the camera bag. This is kind of how it falls in the front. I like how it falls in the front. It was the chain. This is the chain I used on the large Rowan. Then I moved it to the mini Rowan, and now I'm using it on here. It's the one that I made from pieces that I purchased from Amazon. It was a little bit too short, so I thought, oh, I'll add this to it. So I added this to that, and then I connected the chain to the clasp here. Gave me just a little bit of a length, and this will be either for my earbuds. I don't have them in here. Or my medication, or both. If I can fit both, then I want this to be both. But I definitely think I'm going to save for the medication in here. kind of the stuff that I need like right away in there. So I'm excited about that. I don't want to load it too much down. Because also too on the mini, did y'all see I had put, I put my hand sanitizer and this in the back. So I don't know. Okay, we're gonna be, I can have a hand sanitizer in our wagon at the game. So I won't have it on my person. I just don't know, I don't wanna, let's see. Let's see, I don't like to be without my hand sanitizer close at hand. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. I need a denim. I need a denim one of these. Okay, that's not too bad. So then it'll be this shirt. I'll do mod shots for y'all sometime. So it'll be this shirt with this. You know, kind of blends a little bit, but you know, it's all right. I want to wear the denim. I'm denim broke. I want to wear the denim. Okay, so that's what I'm going to wear as far as my small bag that's on my person. And for the lack of, so I don't have to think about it, I'm just going to stay in the large Rowan and carry that as my secondary bag, unless I can find my granny. I have a granny tote that I use for miscellaneous stuff for the baseball games, but I don't know where that's part of my baseball gear, and I'm looking around here. It might be in our baseball stuff because I can't find it. We kind of, when we winterize those, don't forget, I have that membership if you're interested in it. It gives you some special perks. It gives you some behind the scene things, and it helps my channel, support my channel. So for my outing that I'm going to do with Tres Amigas, then I'm going to carry this. We're going to go to the Coach Cafe in Austin, and it's spring break week, so we're going to try to steal away. And I haven't worn this baby in a while, so this is my Ellipse PM that I purchased from actually Rebag, y'all. I know, can y'all believe it? She came with the lock, and she was in fabulous shape. This strap is a secondary strap because it didn't come with the strap, and so so if I want to have it carry it crossbody, I need this, and of course I also put extenders. Okay, this is how I did how I would hook two of these together and make my own little rings. But I have all kinds of fun stuff now since the last time I really used this, so I might change this up. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And then here, right here, it's one of them catty corner thingies that I want to show y'all the handles. I got to redo that anyway. But look, the handles are beautiful, beautiful. So I had this on here. I like to dress. I liked how it looked. Oh, so this is just one of them Poshmark specials. It was cute, and I love the contrast. Don't know if I'll keep that on there. I'll let y'all know if I decide to change any of the decorations on this. I'll take a picture or something and insert it. Alrighty, so that will be that. That is my change outs for this coming week as far as what I'm going to be using. So there'll be 3 bags, the large Rowan, and this is that I know of. It will be my car bag for the trip to San Marcos. This is going to be my personal bag for the trip to San Marcos. And then when we go to Austin, I'm going to carry this with, probably take this as well too, because if we go to any of the luxury houses or something, I want to carry this. And it's lightweight, and I can wear it crossbody. And I haven't worn her in a while, and she needs some loving. She needs some loving. Alrighty, this was my first LV that I ever purchased. So I want to pull her out for the occasion, and then I will probably carry this when we go to the coffee house, probably, maybe. I could change my mind. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you for hanging out with me. Hopefully this ends up not being too long. I want this series to be a nice, quick one, but you know, you know me. This is the end of the night. I did a live. I did 2 lives today. This is the end of the evening, and I just said, you know what? We're just doing some lip gloss, some mascara, and that's it. So this is Natural Me. This is mascara, lip gloss, that's it. This is usually how I roll at home when nobody's coming over. So hey, I'll let you in on what I look like. Scary. And also too, if you have not subscribed and you're so inclined to do so, please do so. That helps my channel grow. Leave a comment, and you know what, leave some baseballs. Yes, leave lots of baseballs. Leave lots of baseballs. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye bye.